43rd collectors, this one's for you. G'day collectors, Ben here. Today we've got a wide range of 43rd scale supercars from 2023 to 2024. Now usually we would say that once these samples are here, it means that the container is on its way. However, the container is already here and the models are in the warehouse. Now these models are due to be released within the next month or two. And yeah, so let's stop rambling and get them open. Well, there you have it, 43rds. Now I'm probably going to start with the MSR cars first. Now you might have seen previously in our unboxing video that we did not too long ago that we opened up the 1/18 scale version of this Cam Hill car. However, the 43rd version is here. So that's the Cam Hill car, obviously with the Tyre Power sponsor. Looks very nice. So speaking of tyre power, I believe that Tasmania Super 440 or SuperSprint, whichever one it is actually sponsored by Tyre Power now. So that's pretty cool, the Tyre Power Tasmania Super 440 or SuperSprint. That's not the only car to arrive. Its sister car, the Bendix Racing Mobile, driven by Nick Percat, is also here. So if you're an MSR fan or a Nick Percat or Cam Hill fan, this is definitely one for you, and you could probably get the pair when they finally release. Now, onto the Nulon cars. So here we are, the Nulon Racing cars. Now 31, obviously driven by James Golding, who is now driving for Blanchard Racing Team in the 2026 season, and Tim Slade, who is now a former Supercars driver. These are definitely one to have because the 2023 Nulon car liveries were good. I like the black, red and white, but the 2024 liveries is where it really stands out. Now these are the 2024 championship season cars and they are pretty low numbers, so go get them when they release. Here I have the 2023 liveries. Now 2023 seems so long ago that these Mustangs were actually driven by Todd Hazelwood. So here we have the Red Arc livery that was driven at the 2023 Velo Adelaide 500, which was obviously the last round of 2023. And here we have the CoolDrive Indigenous car that was driven at the Better Darwin Triple Crown, obviously that being the Indigenous round. They run a bunch of Indigenous liveries at that event, and it's really cool. I really like the way that they incorporate Indigenous liveries within their normal race liveries, I guess you could say. And yeah, low numbers, so get in quick. So there we have it, a bunch of 43rds that are due to arrive within the next month or two. Yeah, go get them, low numbers. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below which one's your favorite. Peace.